Now, this is the dog. Buddy's the dog in the YouTube video many of you may have seen, where he actually led Trooper Shanigan to a house fire. Am I correct in that? Okay. And what's Buddy doing nowadays?
Just,
He's your dog?
Yeah.
And your name?
Ben.
Ben, okay. For some reason I thought he was your dog.
No, actually I was responding to the fire and didn't know what I was getting to, and that's when I saw him. My camera started to catch this feed, and I began following him through the neighborhood, and took me right to the house.
Wow.
And then kind of nudged me back up to the house, and he went back and did the same thing for a firefighter.
Neat.
And
so have you trained this dog, or is he just an average dog?
Just an average dog.
An average smart dog. How old is he?
He's 5.
Okay. Is he a purebred German Shepherd?
Yes, he is.
Yeah. Beautiful dog. Very, very calm around people too.
very.
So what do you think he was thinking that day?
I don't know. I really wish I knew.
Yeah. Has he done anything else like similar to that, or I mean, is...
Chased off bears for me.
Oh, wow. Well, that's handy. Neat, neat. So what's next for Buddy? I heard there's going to be some filming done with him.
Yeah. He's been doing a few shows. NBC News is coming up. Yukonuma.
Okay.
I had a Japan deal come up to do a show.
This is a German Shepherd.
So has he, have you had a lot of, has he been on TV much after that, or?
Just a few times, not a whole lot.
Yeah. So all of these people have contacted you about this?
Yeah, my mom, or through email and stuff.
Yeah, neat. So what is Buddy gonna do for these shows? Are you gonna kind of show what he did? Are you gonna do a reenactment or anything like that? They'll probably have you do something like that. But what a beautiful dog. Well, thanks for showing us.